Hi guys, it's Kev. Today we're going to tackle a few questions about the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. I managed to pick out a few examples so that we get the gist of how the questions are asked or set in an exam situation. So, firstly, we are going to calculate the highest common factor for the first question, which is the one that includes 10 and 8. The way that we do this is finding pairs of numbers that can be multiplied to produce 10, in this case 1 and 10, 2 and 5, and also the case for 8. And also for 8, 1 and 8, and 2 and 4. After this, we'll list out all the numbers on the factor list, carefully minding not to repeat the same values we have. So 1, 2, not repeating the 2, 4, then 5, then 8 and 10. And lastly, then we pick out the highest number on our factor list, which in our case is 2. That's the highest. 1 is not the highest. Then for LCM, it's easy. You gather up the multiples of each number, 10 and 8. So for 10, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Then for 8 is 8, 16, I missed out 24 here, 24, 32, and 40. So our lowest value that we can get from these two number lines is 40. So therefore it is our lowest common multiple. Then for our next case, 120 and 26 is much more different in the sense that the numbers we are dealing with are huge. So as a result, we can't use the other method because it ends up being a lot of work to find all those factors and the multiples and stuff. So here we use a different method. Okay, so let's start. We are going to start with 120. The idea here is to divide 120 by integers beginning from 2, then working your way up. As you can see the pattern here, 2 into 60, 2 into 30 is 15, 3 into 15 is 5. Then same applies to 26. 2 into 26, 13. Then we don't have values that go beyond 13, so we can wrap it up. After this, we'll list out the values for 120. 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. And also for 26, 2, and 13 only. And after this, we then create a Venn diagram for both of the values for 120 and 26. So for 120, what values do we have that are in common with the values that are in 26? We have 2. Then the rest of the values just go in the separate square. And here we just have 13 only. Then after this, our highest common factor is then the number that is on the intersection. So it's just 2. Then for our lowest common multiple is all the numbers multiplied. So it's easy to just multiply one circle, that is just 120, and then multiply with the rest that is left, and that is 13. And then we get our value, which is 1560. So as you can see, it's easy. With a little practice you get it. So on the next one, we have another one here. It's sort of a bonus. You can try it on the side on a piece of paper. You can just pause for a second, then you just try and work it out and see if you can get the values. Then you come and continue. Okay, so here you start dividing by 2 like we did the last time. So as you can see, 2 into 20, 2 into 10 is 5. Then the last value is 5 for 80. Then we go for the other one, that is 72. We start by 2. 2 into 72. You get 36. 2 into 36 is 18. 2 into 18 is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. So that's it. Those are the values that we got. So then we prepare that list. 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Then we create that Venn diagram for 80 and 72. Then the numbers that are the same, 2, 2, 2, then we have 2 and 5. Then that's a 3 and 3. So our highest common factor for this case is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Then for our lowest common multiple, we do the same thing. We multiply the circle of 80 and 72. So it's just 80 multiplied by 3 times 3. And we get 720. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.